Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm so happy you're here. Whether it's your first time or you're a returning friend, I appreciate your support. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that's vital for building cells, but having too much of it in your blood can be harmful. High cholesterol can lead to serious health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. High cholesterol is a common health concern that can lead to serious health problems if left unchecked, while medications can help. Making dietary changes is a powerful way to take control of your cholesterol. Today we explore 18 surprising foods that can naturally lower your cholesterol levels. Before we begin, it's important to note that while these foods can be beneficial, they should not replace medical advice or prescribed medications. Always consult with your healthcare provider. Let's blast off. We're diving into some exciting health tips today, and it's going to be a blast. Let's ignite this journey. Number 1. Okra. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a nutritious vegetable that offers several health benefits, including potential cholesterol-lowering effects. Okra is high in soluble fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol absorption in the digestive tract. It contains antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. The soluble fiber in okra helping to remove it from the body before it can be absorbed into the bloodstream. This helps lower LDL bad cholesterol levels. Okra contains a gel-like substance called mucilage, which can help bind excess cholesterol and toxins in the bile acids. Number 2. Avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is known to reduce LDL bad cholesterol and increase HDL good cholesterol. The fiber in avocados binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, helping to remove it from the body. These compounds compete with cholesterol for absorption in the intestines, reducing the amount of cholesterol that enters the bloodstream. Number 3. Apples. Apples provide essential vitamins like vitamin C and potassium, which support cardiovascular health. Apples are low in calories, making them a healthy snack option. The soluble fiber in apples binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, helping to remove it from the body before it can be absorbed into the bloodstream. These compounds have been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, further supporting heart health. Number 4. Eggplant. Eggplants are rich in dietary fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol absorption in the digestive tract. They contain powerful antioxidants like niacin, which protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce cholesterol oxidation. Eggplants is a low-calories vegetable that high in fiber. Eggplants is also a source of chlorogenic acid and antioxidants that can help to improve cholesterol metabolism. Number 5. Oats. Oats provide essential nutrients like magnesium, potassium, iron, and B vitamins, all of which support cardiovascular health. Oats contain avenanthramides, antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Oats have a low glycemic index, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and maintain energy. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which help reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of fatty fish can help lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on the heart and arteries. Omega-3s can help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Number 7. Nuts. Nuts provide a good source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and overall health. Nuts are packed with vitamins and minerals which support heart health. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids in reducing cholesterol absorption in the digestive tract. Number 8. Mushrooms. Certain types of mushrooms, like shiitake and maitake, contain beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber known to help lower cholesterol. Mushrooms are low in calories and fat, making them a healthy addition to any diet. Mushrooms provide essential nutrients like B vitamins B2, B3 and B5, copper and potassium. Mushrooms act as prebiotics, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a role in cholesterol metabolism. Number 9. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid that supports lowering cholesterol and promoting digestive health. The combination of fiber, omega-3s, and lignans in flax seeds helps improve overall cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol, reducing inflammation, and maintaining healthy blood vessels. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains healthy fats, primarily from cocoa butter, which includes oleic acid, a heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. It is a good source of essential minerals and iron. Regular consumption of dark chocolate has been shown to increase HDL good cholesterol and potentially lower LDL cholesterol. Look for dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% or higher to maximize health benefits. Number 11. Berries. Berries are loaded with polyphenols, plant compounds that have been shown to improve lipid profiles and heart health. They are low in calories, making them a heart-healthy, weight-friendly food choice. Berries provide essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and folate. Antioxidants in berries prevent the oxidation of LDL bad cholesterol, a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis plaque buildup in the arteries. Number 12. Cinnamon. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce overall inflammation, beneficial for heart health. Rich in antioxidants like polyphenols, cinnamon helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation. By improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels, cinnamon reduces the risk of metabolic syndrome associated with high cholesterol and heart disease. Number 13. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which are responsible for its health benefits. It provides essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, and selenium. Garlic can help lower total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides while increasing HDL good cholesterol. By helping to lower blood pressure, garlic indirectly supports cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart disease. Number 14. Beans. Beans are rich in essential nutrients such as folate, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, providing essential amino acids. Beans are naturally low in fat and contain no cholesterol. The high fiber and protein content in beans help increase satiety, which can aid in weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing cholesterol levels. Number 15. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet and is renowned for its numerous health benefits, including the ability to help lower cholesterol levels and support heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids MUFA, primarily oleic acid, which is beneficial for heart health. Olive oil provides vitamins E and K, which support overall health and well-being. Number 16. Barley. Barley is rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol levels. It provides essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. By reducing cholesterol levels and inflammation, barley helps improve overall cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 17. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are rich in powerful antioxidants like punicalagins, anthocyanins, and tannins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Pomegranate seeds arils are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps lower cholesterol absorption. Pomegranate juice can enhance nitric oxide production, improving endothelial function and promoting healthy blood flow. Number 18. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that supports heart health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract that binds to cholesterol and bile acids, helping to remove them from the body. Thank you for tuning in. Your support means a lot to us. Let us know in the comments what you think and what topics you'd like to see next. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button